Hi guys, this is Abhi from Learn Design, and today we are going to study how to install Drupal on a local Wamp installation. So first thing, go and download Wamp and Drupal installations. Install Wamp with completely default settings in your computer. Once you finish installing Wamp, you will see an icon in your right portion of the Windows tray. Click on that, click on php.ini. What we are going to do first is create a database which Drupal will use to store all the data in. So I'm going to call my database test for this purpose. Click create, done. Next thing, you need to go to your Drupal download and take the zip folder that you get from the Drupal download and paste it into the www directory of Wamp. So I've already done it. I think this is the test folder here. I just extracted this Drupal folder and renamed the extract to test. Next thing, you need to go to Wamp and click on localhost. Now whatever the name of your folder, test folder is, you click on that folder here in your project. You don't have permission to access test on this server. Maybe I've done something wrong, so what I'll do is delete this one, and next I'll extract the file again just for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so this is what you get when you and then rename it to test, and sure enough, this time it's going to work. And we'll go ahead with the standard installation, save and continue. We'll go ahead with English, save and continue. And next you need to tell it about your database that you just created here. We created a database called test. So leave this setting at its default, present test here, and the default database username is root. Default password is blank, so we'll leave it blank. Do not care about the advanced options and just press save and continue. Next, Drupal is going to set up the database, and this step is going to take quite a long time depending on the speed of your system. What I'll do is I'll pause this video here so you don't have to sit bored through. I'll return once this step finishes. Okay guys, so we're back. The installation is almost going to be complete soon. The module number 26 is being installed now out of the 28 total shortcut modules. What I wanted to tell you now is if you have just installed Wamp for the first time, you might encounter some errors at the start screen of a Drupal installation. That's because you need to configure this php.ini file here before you actually start running any sort of operations. I will tell about the settings you have to do in that file in another video. Please check the link in the description below, and please do those settings before you start your installation. And yes, our installation is going to be complete soon. I'll come back in a moment again. Hey guys, back again, and the installation, the profile installation is almost complete now, and you'll get this message: complete 28 of 28, install standard module once your installation is completed. And still we have this rotating circle on top, which means our site will be up soon. So next you have to fill in your site information. Localhost, I'll name it like Drupal, local Drupal installation, and then this is a bogus email address because we are not going to be actually sending emails from our local server because it's not so easy to configure. And username, go with admin or anything you like. Password, you can make a shorter one because this is a offline installation and no one is going to hack into it. Country, and I usually select US because the settings are usually all English in here. I'm currently living in Tokyo, but for the purpose of this installation I just selected United States. My English is not that good, and sorry for troubling you with my poor English. let's continue. Once you press save and continue, it's again gonna take 1 or 2 minutes depending on the speed of your installation. I'll pause the video actually so you don't have to sit through it. Okay, so the installation is finished with the basic modules already installed, and you can go and visit your new site now. It's an empty site, no data, no content in it, but a few base modules installed. You can go to admin and check various things, install the plugins, install the modules you want to install. You can change the structure, content as you like, and I guess this is pretty much it. So please make sure that you see the php.ini setting tutorial in the link below, otherwise your installation might not start properly. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you will come back for more. Bye bye.